Winning the SEO Game, Part 6, How to Do Local SEO. SEO Factor Number 4, User Experience. In recent years, Google has started using a machine learning algorithm called RankBrain to determine whether users are satisfied with search results. RankBrain looks at user experience signals to determine whether a particular page is satisfying users. If Google sees people interacting with your site in a positive way, your pages will rank higher in the search results, and you'll get more search traffic. How does Google know if people are having a positive experience with your site? It looks at a number of different things. Click-through rate, center. Center is the percentage of people who see your site in the search results and click through to your site. If a page has a high center, it's a signal to Google that the page is important and should be high in the search results. To optimize for center, start by optimizing your page title. It should be attention-grabbing so that it stands out in the search results. Optimize your page description, which is the text that shows up under the title. Like your title, it needs to be both clear and compelling. Optimize the URL of your page. The best way to do this is to make the URL short and include the primary keyword in it. Dwell time. Dwell time is how long someone stays on your site after clicking on the search result. If they stay for a long time, it's a sign to Google that the content on the page is valuable and should be placed higher in the search results. To increase dwell time on your pages, create quick, snappy intros. Keep your intros quick, clear, and to the point. Tell people what they're going to learn and then move on to the rest. Create long-form content. Longer, more in-depth content tends to perform better than short content. Make your content easy to read. If you're going to create long-form content, it has to be easy to read. Embed videos. Embedded videos can be a helpful supplement to text on your pages. Internal links. Linking to other, highly relevant pages on your website causes people to explore your site more. Stay tuned for the rest of the series on winning the SEO game and local SEO tips coming soon. If you like our videos and find them valuable, please follow us on our YouTube channel Digital Promotion New Braunfels and our website at digitalpromotionsnewbraunfels.com. Like and share the videos and subscribe to our channel.